Good day, everyone. I am Teacher Frylan, welcoming you to my Mathemagician show. Today, you will learn again another lesson in mathematics. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Our lesson for today is factoring using the greatest common monomial factor. Let's have a review first. Find the greatest common factor or the GCF of the numbers 12 and 16. First, we need to find the prime factors of both numbers. What are the factors of 12? Great! That is 2 times 2 times 3. How about 16? That is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. What are the factors that both numbers have? Correct! That is 2 and 2. For us to get the GCF, we need to multiply 2 times 2. Therefore, our answer is 4. Next, find the greatest common factor or the GCF of the numbers 18 and 30. First, we need to get the prime factors of both numbers. What are the factors of 18? Exactly! That is 2 times 3 times 3. How about 30? Correct! That is 2 times 3 times 5. What are the factors that both numbers have? Very good! That is 2 times 3. Therefore, for you to get the GCF, you need to multiply 2 times 3. So that our GCF is 6. Now, try to find the GCF of the following numbers. You can pause the video, then answer the set of numbers, and I will reveal the answers. Here are the answers. Factoring out the greatest common monomial factor is the reverse of multiplying a monomial by a polynomial. When we multiply 3, the quantity of x plus 2, we need to use the distributive property. So, 3 times x, that is 3x, and 3 times 2, that is 6. Therefore, the answer is 3x plus 6. Well, if we are going to factor out 3x plus 6, that is equal to 3, the quantity of x plus 2. It is the reverse of multiplying a monomial by a polynomial. So, we will get the factor. In factoring out a monomial, let's have an example. First, 3x plus 6. It is a binomial. We have two terms, which are 3x and 6. First, we need to get the GCF of each term. 3 and 6, the GCF is 3. And there is no common variable because in the second term, there is no variable x. Then, to get the remaining factor, we need to divide each term by 3 since it is the GCF or the greatest common factor. We divide the first term, which is 3x by 3. 3x divided by 3, that is equal to x. Then, divide 6 also by 3. Therefore, 6 divided by 3, that is 2. Therefore, the answer is 3, the quantity of x plus 2. Now, let's move on our second example. 15f squared plus 25f. It is also a binomial. We have two terms. So, we need to get the GCF or the greatest common factor of the constant or the numerical coefficient. What is the GCF or the greatest common factor of 15 and 25? Very good. That is 5. How about f squared and f? When we talk about the variables, we need to get the lowest or the least exponent or degree. Which has the least exponent? F squared or f? Exactly, that is f. Therefore, In our second example, the greatest common factor of or the common monomial factor is 5f. Then, we need to do the same process as example number 1. We need to divide 15f squared to 5f. Therefore, 15f squared divided by 5f, that is 3f. Next, positive 25f divided by 5f, that is positive 5. Therefore, the final answer is 5f, the quantity of 3f plus 5. Let's move on our last example. 4a squared plus 6a plus 8. It is consists of 3 terms. Therefore, that is a trinomial. So now, class, we need to get the GCF of each term. Or, first, we need to find the GCF of our constant, or that is the numerical coefficient. What are the GCF of 4, 6, and 8? Exactly, that is 2. And as you can observe, class, there is no common variable because in the last term, there is no variable a. Therefore, our GCF is 2. So, class, for us to be able to get the factored form, we need to divide each term to our GCF, or that is 2. Therefore, 4a squared divided by 2, that is 2a squared. Next, 6a divided by 2. Very good. That is positive 3a. How about 8 divided by 2? Great. That is 4. Therefore, our final answer is 2, the quantity of 2a squared plus 3a plus 4. Now, it's your time to practice whether you understood the lesson. Later on, I will reveal the answer. Here are the answers. Thank you for listening.